This is a new update. I'm gonna be showing you guys two ways on how you can fix speaker volume is very low. Now, if the speaker volume is very low, then I'm gonna be showing you guys two ways that worked for me, and you can easily apply the exact steps that I'm about to show you in this video to fix your iPhone speaker volume is very low. Now, the first thing, guys, you need to do is to open your settings, okay? And after that, after you open your settings, you want to just scroll down a little bit and click on music, as you can see. Now, after guys you click on music, you want to click on EQ, okay? EQ, click on it and then select light night. As you can see, click on light night. Now see if the problem is resolved or not. If you still have this problem with your speaker, with your iPhone speaker, then here is the second solution which will work for everyone. Now follow these exact steps because this is very important. Okay guys, if the first method doesn't work for you, then you want to take your tot brush. I hope I pronounced it correctly. Just take your tot brush and then start cleaning. Yeah, you just want to take, if you have like a keys on your iPhone, you just want to remove it for a few seconds. And after that, guys, if you have any iPhone, you will find the speakers here. Like every iPhone has the speaker here where you can charge your phone. You can see here the speakers. That's where the voice comes from, or where it's like your speaker here is your speaker. You want to just take your tot brush and then start cleaning that, because most of the time you have a lot of dirt here. You can just see it by your eyes. You can just see a lot of dirt here. You just want to clean it a little bit. Put something like some water, a little bit of water, and then start cleaning it, and then put it in the sun a little bit. So you will have a very good quality speaker after you do this. Just start cleaning it using your tot brush until you don't see the dirt anymore on your iPhone, and now you will have a very good speaker. So if this video guys helped you, drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys in the next video.